Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Lakespen and we are going to give you a tour of where the Cygnus group is going to be building the Lakespen Industrial Park. And this is a private sector investment where they're going to be building warehouses for logistics purposes. It's actually the Cygnus Lakespen Logistics Project. So that building you're looking at is Wisynco, which is the largest distributor in Jamaica. The land to the left is where they're building the logistics hub. And this is actually an excellent location. You have to give Cygnus credit for choosing this location. To build warehouses beside the largest distributor in Jamaica is what you call a brilliant idea. And that road that you look at the top of the screen, that highway is the PJ Patterson Highway or Highway 2000 East-West leg. So if they were to actually build entrance or exit, build an access ramp from where we're looking at on the highway to this facility, also would be a game changer. So this is an excellent location. And you notice there's a lot of talk about logistics hubs, but you notice the government projects to build logistics hubs, they haven't really got anywhere. But the private sector ones are doing so well. I mean, the Caymanos logistics hub or the Caymanos project, you notice since the election, we haven't heard anything about that project. But we'll keep you guys updated. But this one is going to be a game changer. And Cygnus does a lot of developments around Jamaica. Okay, so we are going to give you an update as to exactly what is happening here. The Cygnus Lakespen Logistics Project, officially known as the Lakespen Industrial Park, is a major private sector investment aimed at strengthening Jamaica's logistics and industrial capacity. Located in Lakespen, St. Catherine, the project is being developed by Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited, a subsidiary of the Cygnus Capital Group, and is positioned to play a key role in Jamaica's push to become a regional logistics hub. The project is planned as a modern industrial park rather than a single warehouse or factory. It spans approximately 55 acres with more than 46 acres subdivided into service industrial lots. These lots are designed to accommodate warehouses, distribution centers, light manufacturing, and other logistics-related businesses. At full build-out, the park is expected to support over 1 million square feet of industrial and logistics space, significantly expanding the country's supply of purpose-built facilities. Construction of the Lakespen Industrial Park emphasizes modern infrastructure and security standards. Plans include internal road networks suitable for heavy container traffic, underground utilities, reliable water storage, perimeter fencing, control access points, and surveillance systems. The park is also being built to handle large commercial vehicles, including 40-foot container trucks, making it suitable for high-volume logistics operations. A key aspect of the project is its strategic location. Lakespen sits close to Kingston, major highways, and critical transport links, allowing businesses to move goods efficiently between ports, airports, and domestic markets. This connectivity is vital as Jamaica seeks to improve supply chain efficiency and attract more regional distribution activity. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And we will keep you guys updated on this project. Alright guys, have a good day.